Question 1.9. We are asked to explain how a commutator works to maintain coil rotation in only one direction in a direct current motor. The commutator is what makes a direct current motor keep rotating in the same direction. In a direct current motor, the coil is connected to a direct current power supply. Current flows through one side of the coil in one direction and through the other side in the opposite direction. Because the coil is in a magnetic field, the current-carrying sides experience magnetic forces. To figure out the direction of the forces on each side of the coil, we use Flemings Left Hand Rule for motors. These forces act in opposite directions on the two sides of the coil, producing a turning effect or torque. The coil therefore starts to rotate. After the coil has rotated 180 degrees, its sides have changed positions in the magnetic field. If the current were allowed to continue flowing in the same direction as it was, it would now be shown by the arrows in yellow. The forces on the sides of the coil would also effectively reverse their turning effect. The coil would therefore tend to rotate back in the opposite direction instead of continuing its rotation. But a split ring commutator switches the connections between the coil and external circuit every half revolution, and this reverses the direction of the current in the coil. Because both the position of the coil and the direction of the current have changed, the magnetic forces continue to produce a torque in the same rotational direction. This happens every half revolution. Every 180 degrees, the commutator reverses the current. The commutator does not reduce friction, and it does not convert the electrical supply from AC to DC. It just reverses the current in the rotating coil. The brushes maintain electrical contact between the stationary external circuit and the rotating coil. The answer is C.